Hey there guys, it's Garda Wallet, and today we're going to show you how you can get Cardano, also known as ADA, in your Garda Wallet. One of the ways how you can get some Cardano is by exchanging it with your currently owned cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin for example. So you're choosing your Bitcoin wallet to Cardano wallet and how much you wish to exchange. I'm checking the details, I agree to the terms of use, and everything seems to be correct, so I'm pressing confirm. Now while this is happening, you can see that our exchange will be processing for 5 minutes or so. I just wanted to let you know that Cardano is a decentralized public blockchain and cryptocurrency project and is fully open source, and we are wholeheartedly supported. Because did you know that Cardano is the first blockchain platform that evolved out of a scientific philosophy and a research-first driven approach? This is the movement that we can support. So, after some time, you should be able to receive your ADA right in Garda Wallet. And as we can see here, our exchange process is done. We've just received 378.64 and you get the idea, ADA. We can see it. We can't see it. It's invisible because I've hit it. So we're just gonna press this button and then find it right here. There we go. We just need to update it because it seems that my wallet didn't get the memo that it just received some ADAs. Ha, there we go. With a good gold refresh, everything works really fine. That's about it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment under this video with your questions about Garda Wallet or just a nice comments to our team. We're always happy to read those. We read every feedback that our user base leaves us. Thank you for watching.